Good morning, and welcome to Easily Confused Words, Round 7. So our first pair is fourth, like a fourth of something, versus fourth, back and forth. So when we say fourth, like a quarter of something, it has the word four, like the number, in it, which makes sense because a fourth is one piece when you cut something into four. So you can't spell fourth without the number 4. Our other kind of fourth is a direction, back and forth. And it means the same as forward. So we start them both with for, like the preposition. It's a direction. Our next pair are peace, like war versus peace, and peace, like a piece of something. Now, this kind of peace makes you say, ah, so it's got an A in the middle of it. Whereas this kind of piece is like a piece of something, and you can't spell piece without pie. So remember, if you want a piece of pie, you're going to spell them both the same way. And just remember pie when you need to talk about a piece of anything else. Next we have break, like to slow down and stop something moving, versus to break, like to break something. So break, like when you break your car, is spelled like this. And you might break your car because you want your car to go backwards. So this kind of break has a backwards car in the middle. The other kind of break, like when you break something, makes you say, eek! And so we end it with eek when you break something. There are peak, like a mountain peak, versus peek when you look secretly at something. So a peak, like a mountain peak, has a mountain peak right in the middle of it. And to peek, like to look at something, this one looks an awful lot like a pair of eyes. This kind of peek is peeking at you. Next, we have aloud, like yes, that's fine, versus aloud, like out loud. Now, aloud, like yes, that's okay, is the past tense of the word allow. So if we say we already allow that, it's the same as saying it's allowed. And you know, we use the suffix ed to make something past tense. This kind of allowed means the same as out loud, and it has the word loud right in it. Aloud and out loud, they mean the same thing, and we spell them the same. I'm talking out loud. That's it for Easily Confused Word 7. I will see you guys next week.